Hello. Today I want to talk to you about capsule wardrobes versus base wardrobes. So I am a proudly basic woman. Not so basic in the way that I am the stereotypical what like pick-me girls call basic. I mean that I have a robust basic wardrobe. Something that I think that we don't focus on enough is that we really focus on the minimalism aspect of you should have a capsule wardrobe and you should only wear the same 10 pieces on repeat, which is fine if you want to dress like that. However, I have a great desire to really switch things up on a regular basis, which also means that something like a very basic wardrobe is going to bore me very quickly, which is why I am a huge fan of having base outfits and statement pieces. I think that you should be able to wear essentially a top and a bottom, or what is closest to you, so your base, not your underwear, but what's immediately over that. So whether it be a top or a bottom, a skirt or a top or a dress, and then being able to style it a bunch of different ways. That is going to give you so much more variety than a capsule wardrobe. So for me, that means that I need to have things that can be styled with a bunch of different pieces. So for example, I like to wear t-shirt and jeans all the time, but I like to style them in different ways. And the reason why I recommend this over a capsule wardrobe is because capsule wardrobes are a really good way to exhaust yourself fashion-wise in general. I need statement pieces in my life. I have this great desire to wear Sherpa jackets and really fun shoes and pops of color and vintage pieces in a way that a capsule wardrobe would never give me that variety of life. It's kind of, in a way, in my opinion, the capsule wardrobe can make you feel like you're settling. And I don't really feel like settling in my life. I rent a bunch of my statement pieces, which means that a lot of the things that I rent, I have to be able to style with a bunch of things already in my closet, which is why I recommend having a few outfits as in base outfits. So what does that look like, and how do we know what is a base outfit? Well, here's how I found out what are mine. I took out my boldest pieces of clothing. So that was a green leather jacket, that's a trench coat, which I'm obsessed with. It's vintage from the 90s and you can pry it out of my dead hands. You have suede boots that are kind of a khaki color in this very unique kind of way. You have a leather trench from the 70s. That's technically a boy's trench, but I don't care, I'm still gonna wear it. You have a red cardigan. Red is very trendy right now. You have a few vintage bags that I really like, and my chunky Mary Janes. All of those pieces do not fit a capsule wardrobe, but I want to wear them. So what I did instead is that I made sure that I had a base outfit that was on, then I could style something in all these different ways. So your base outfit could be trousers and a tank top. It could mean jeans and a t-shirt. It could mean a mini dress. It could be a sweater dress. It could honestly be whatever you want. But with base outfits, you need to be able to style it in many different ways. If you do not have base outfits that could be styled in all these different ways, and I recommend honestly trying out 5 to 10 outfits. If you don't have that, those are the things you should be shifting your priorities on. So you need to be able to style your most eccentric pieces, your most out there pieces, your personality, and your statement pieces. The parts of you that make you feel fashionable, that make you feel unique, you need to have more of those than the base outfits. You can honestly have only a few base outfits and a lot of statement pieces, and you're probably going to have a much more well-rounded wardrobe if you have those pieces first. Carolyn D. Margaret did this video with Alexa Chung where they were talking about how to age like a French woman. And I've been watching all of Alexis Chung's stuff recently because I've realized that a lot of my obsession with men's coats, Mary Janes, and blazers have been influenced by her. Also, she's half Asian, half white, which is what I am. And her name is also Alexis, so I'm a little obsessed with her. You could have a lot of statement pieces and only a few base outfits. And if you are able to mix and match those as much as you want, you're gonna have actually a very well-rounded wardrobe. So I want to show you a few examples of my base outfits and what that looks like. And I guess since I'm already wearing it, I'm gonna start off with this one. And I'm gonna throw in this fun little Sherpa jacket, because why not? All right. Oh! No jumps, no jumps. My dog thinks, because she keeps seeing me change in and out of jackets, that we're going on a walk. I'm making a huge mess of my house, but I just wanted to give you one example of something. You see a lot of these trends on TikTok, on Instagram. So if I were you, I would go into your closet, I would find your statement pieces, and then I would try and spend a little bit of time, drink a little bit of wine or coffee if you're like sober, and put on your biggest statement pieces and see the outfits that fit with it. And as you are putting them together, you're going to start seeing trends that you see that you like on you, or gaps you might be missing in your wardrobe. You just gotta find the formula that works for you. You gotta find 1 to 2 base outfits. I would recommend trying with jeans and t-shirts like I just did, or doing pair of old trousers and a tank top if you like to have a little bit of a non-binary kind of moment. I would also consider trying on slip dresses are a really good base wardrobe that you can add to. It's just something that when you put it on, it's gonna look good, but as you add more to it, it's gonna look better. I love a good vintage statement pieces. My sustainable journey is to constantly buy secondhand and to fill my closet full of that. And I actually have more of those than actual base outfits or basics. If you have tried this, please let me know what your base outfits are. What are the pieces that you really struggle with styling? And what do you think that you could add to your closet that would make it much easier? I hope to hear from you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.